Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick Dipat Aguilar and you are watching Dipat TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Welcome to our game number 4 of the scheduled 8 race day schedule this month of love, February 2024, and happy Valentine's to all of you. Welcome once again to another exciting edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So without further ado mga kadipat, it's now time to begin our Run and Gun Wednesday edition, a lovely Run and Gun Wednesday edition tonight on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Once again, happy Valentine's Day to all of you, and without further ado, it's now time to proceed with our first matchup. First up, we have Team Road this time na ang mauuna. This time, Team Road will race first. Lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, like that, in a single round robin. So we now proceed with our group stage, beginning with this matchup of Lingayen Survivors. So yung mga na-third hit natin sa Lingayen, sila ang magkalaban sa ating race number 1 for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. It's going to be Merrick taking on Neon Sarah in our first of the 6 races for Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2, Neon Sarah starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Merrick at lane 2 and Neon Sarah at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes here in this first of the 6 races for Team Road's group stage to begin our ranking race tonight. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Satu. Final lap. Drawing. Malas. Duluan na eh. Duluan na eh. Na-tropa. Durag. Draw game. Draw game. Sumabit parehas. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Tara. Draw game po tayo. I-lock pala natin. Nakalimutan ko pala. So draw po ang labanan ng mga Lingayen Survivor. Mamaya sa ating race number 2 for Team Road, yung mga Paniki Survivors naman po magkalaban. Actually, 3 sa Team Road ngayon. Yon yung susunod nating starting 3 para sa susunod na Prostock Non-FM race na sasalihan natin. Sasalihan ko lang inyong lingkod, guys. So, it's a draw, it's a tie between the Lingayen Survivors, Merrick and Neon Sarah. This time, it's the battle of Paniki Tarlac Survivors between Venom and Metalder for our race number 2 for Team Road's group stage. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Metalder at lane 2 to start off this race number 2 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Patay! Kaso, biglang nangyira, nangyari. Final lap. Wala na. Draw game. Did not finish. Therefore, draw game. Baka yung motor ang sunog. Tingnan ko nga. Officials timeout. Officials timeout. We have a lull in the action this time. We have a lull. Meron tayong lull sa pakpakan. Biglang lasing. Tingnan natin anong nangyari. Let's see. Nako. Mukhang official time out tayo, tabla lahat. Tabla lahat yung team yung team road. Tabla lahat ng team road. I-check lang natin dito sa motor breaker kung anong nangyari. Nasunog na ba? Parang may battery ang isa. Mahina kaya ang battery o talagang may problema? Kailangan mas malakas yun eh. Kasi kung mas malakas yun, ibig sabihin, pag ganun kalakas, ibig sabihin yung motor ang sunod. Most likely, motor ang sunod. Motor yung sunod kay Venom. So, hiramin ko muna yung motor ni MP pansamantala. Posible ang sunog dyan yung motor. Mag-check na natin yung pressure comment. Mandatory change tayo ng motor. Siyempre, hindi kailangan magpatuloy ang laban kahit anong nangyari. Tuloy lang ang laban kahit anong. Lord, dapat ganun kalakas yun, hindi ka tulad ng kanina. Officials timeout lang tayo. Bigla tayong nagkaroon ng Nolan reaction. Basta. Problema talaga yung tawag dito. Problema talaga yung motor. Yung battery malakas tayo. Yun. Tama. Sunog na yung brush. Malamang sunog na yung brush ng isang dinunit niya, no? Hindi man. Discord, possible. Tabla yung laban na yun kasi hindi naman natapos ni Venom yung yung lap requirement. Kaya yun. Drop pa rin. So, 1 point apiece. Agawan niya yun sa lamang mamaya. Pareho ring draw. Nagkataon na draw din dahil talagang na-aksidente si Aksidente si Venom. Aksidente. Biglang puneraria. Kulang na lang pasok music ni Haji Alejandro Napa Haji Alejandro si Venom. Alright, we now continue with our detailed SNC coverage tonight as we move on to our race number 3 for Team Road. It's going to be Neon Sarah taking on Metalder in our race number 3 of Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sarah this time starting at lane 2. And Metalder this time starting at lane 1. I repeat, Neon Sarah at lane 2. Metalder at lane 1 being their starting lanes right here in this race number 3 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, right. Okay. The laser card. Okay, login. Tabla. Tabla ulit. Habla. Alright. Rematch na tayo ulit ng ating previous championship race in our race number 4 for Team Road. It's going to be Venom setting a rematch again one more time against Merrick in our race number 4 of 6 for Team Road. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 1 for Venom, lane 2 for Merrick. Then that's lane 1 for Venom and lane 2 for Merrick, being their starting lanes in this previous championship race rematch in our race number 4 for Team Road. Switch up. Yan na. Ready, set, bye. Ayun, patay! Satu! Kapabalik na siya. Final lap! Okay, jogging again. Tabla! 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 Na naman. Puro tabla. Ang daya, puro tabla. Alright. Penultimate race for Team Road. It's going to be Merrick versus Metalder sa ating race number 5 or the penultimate race for Team Road, wherein the starting lanes of the cars will be Merrick at lane 2, Metalder again at lane 1. I repeat, it's Merrick at lane 2 and Metalder at lane 1 being the starting lanes here in this penultimate race for naman. Sakita sa rail ko. Kakabwisit talaga tong mga oligarkong to. Talagang gusto tayong sabotahe talaga rito eh. Kakabwisit na eh. Kakabwisit. Ayaw talaga tayong pagbigyan eh. Even once. Parang kasalanan pa ngayon maging kakabwisit. Ayaw niyong umayos. Ano na namang tail ko itong kalukuhan yung mga tail ko kayo. Makapabwisit. Atras nga natin para mas madaling makita. Ay, ito na naman tayo mga kadipat. Ito na naman tayo. Talagang gusto tayong putulan na signal dito. Eh wala naman tayong binabayarang wifi. Sobra-sobra na to. Sobra-sobra ng pang-aapi itong ginagawa sa atin ng mga telco. Lahat gagawin para di lang mawalan ng kita. Di bali na makurakutan yung taong bayan. Walang pakialam. Reset. Last. Okay, last pala. Tabla-tabla lahat, ano? So, dapat may manalo doon sa isa. Otherwise, meron tayong tiebreaker. Malamang may tiebreaker tayo, no? Kakaroon tayo ng tiebreaker, if ever. Alright, final race ng ating, final race na tayo sa ating, what do you call that? Si Kuya Paulo pala nanonood. Shout out, thanks so much. Wala talagang kadala-dala tong mga oligarkong to. Talagang kukurakutin tayo ng kukurakutin dito eh. Alright, we'll finish Team Road with our race number 6. Venom versus Neon Sara for our last matchup for Team Road. Pero hopefully hindi mauwi sa tabla. Let's see. Let's see kung ano pa rin to. Kung ganun pa rin yung mangyari. Alright. So in our last race for Team Road, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. Pareho pala Super 2. So kailangan ko palang ilang ka na ganito. Nag-iisang Super 2 battle for now. At least one Super 2 battle between Venom and Neon Sara. Again, it's Venom at lane 1 pala. Sorry. Lane 1 si Venom, then Neon Sara lane 1. Alright. Final match for Team Road. Switch on sa ating group stage. Ready, set, bye. Final lap. Okay. Either. Ayun, nakulong eh. Ay, tama. Natulome. Natulome si Neon Sara. Nasigawan ng tulome. Nasigawan ng tulome si Neon Sara. Yan. Alright. Venom finally securing a victory at last. Yun. Bigla na may natanggal. Officials time out ulit. Ang daming run. Grabe talaga itong Valentine's Day. Killjoy. Killjoy baboy. Killjoy baboy ang Valentine's Day today. Team Road is done for the group stage. So mag-aantay na lang sila ng makakalaban nila from Team Home. As we move along, as we go along, narito na po yung ating first race of the first of the six races for Team Home. This time, it's Papa Roach versus Archera Myrtle to start off festivities in their group stage, for Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2. Archera Myrtle at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 1. Same color, identifying their colors themselves. And you see Papa Roach lane 2 on starting lane. Alright. First of the 6 races for Team Home in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay, tumba. Para na kami. Ano lang? Ilan? Aray ko po. Talagang exit na exit. Ayaw mong umayos ha. Etong sayo. Talagang wala sa ayos tong ano na to. Talagang merong masakir. May masakir sa signal na nangyayari ngayong Valentine's. Alala ko noon, meron St. Valentine's Day massacre dati eh. Papa Roach winning that race number 1 of 6 sa Team Home. Yan. Pero grabe yung bilis na yun ha. Okay. So, green. P-Roach green, Archera blue. Kasi red yung font ng Team Home. Kaya blue baliktad. Yan. Right, next. Bilisan na natin at baka maputulan pa tayo na signal. Race number 2. Cosmo Atomica versus Polaris sa ating race number 2 matchup. Yan. Ito sa'yo. Itong sa'yo. Etong sa'yo. Etong sa'yo. Yan. Race number 2 natin. Ayan. Race number 2, Cosmo Atomica versus Metal. Polaris pala. Yan. So sa matchup na to, lane 1 for Cosmo Atomica, lane 2 for Polaris being their respective starting lanes in this race number 2 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Last 2. Final lap. Liga. Polaris wins against Cosmo Atomica. So itong dalawa maglaban. Yan. Okay. Red yung ano. Race number 3 tayo. Race number 3. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on Archera Myrtle sa ating race number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica this time starting at lane 2, Archera Myrtle at lane 1. So yung respective colors nila, yun din ang kanilang mga starting lanes. Lane 1 for Archera Myrtle again. And lane 2 for Cosmo Atomica this time. Here in this race number 3 of 6. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Lap 2. Final lap. Sakto. Archera Myrtle winner. Dalawang talo kagad si Cosmo Atomica. Kawawa. Kawawa. Ano na? Ayaw mo ha. Itong sayo. Ano na yun? Green si Archera. Tapos 0-2 si Cosmo. Grabe, bad start kay Cosmo ngayon. 0-2. Pero at least hindi ma-aimbang yan. Bihira lang naman umimbang kasi yun. Alright. Next race tayo. Next race, it's going to be Papa Roach taking on Polaris in our race number 4 for Team Home. Yan. Alright, in our race number 4, it's going to be Papa Roach. Ay. Talagang ayaw tayong pagbigyan eh. Valentine sa Valentine, saka pasisira ng ano eh. Alright. Race number po, ano ba to? Race number 4. Tama. Alright, again, si Papa Roach at Polaris ang race number 4 natin. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, Papa Roach lane 1. Oops. Hindi na kinaya. Papa Roach lane 1, Polaris lane 2. Yan. Alright. Race number 4 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Close pipe. Last two. Final lap. Oh my goodness. Last ito. Balas. Balas. Polaris was just too much. Polaris was just too much for Papa Roach to handle. Too hot to handle para kay Papa Roach. And Polaris securing another victory, an upset victory for that matter, over Papa Roach. Grabe to. Pero kita niyo naman kung gaano kagrabe yung mamawan na yan. Diyos ko po, pineapple ba yan? Wow! Ibang klase. Yan. Okay. Last two assignments tayo. Teka. Sino ba yung ano? Cosmo Polaris, Cosmo Archera. Ayun, yung Orange Army. Last na yan. Last yan mamaya. Last yan mamaya para makapagpahinga. So, si Polaris na yun. Habang mainit pa si Polaris, yan na yung unahin natin. Alright. Penultimate race for Team Home. It's going to be Archera Myrtle taking on Polaris. The surging Polaris. Ang mainit-init at grizzless pa na si Polaris. Yan. So, penultimate battle na tayo sa ating group, sa group home or team home. And in this matchup, it's Archera Myrtle starting at lane 2 and this time, Polaris starting at lane 1. I repeat, yan nga po. Lane 2 kay Archera Myrtle kasi siyang higher seed. Then lower seeded Polaris starting at lane 1. Alright, the penultimate race for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Hinabol! Yun na ala. Patay! Last two, final lane changer. Final lap. Okay. Archera Myrtle closing out the group stage, its group stage campaign with a victory over Polaris. Halimaw yun. Akala ko ba stock motor conference ito? Bakit parang speed tech yung takbuhan? Sabay ganun eh. Akala ko pa stock motor conference to. Bakit parang speed tech yung labanan? Speed tech o pro stock yung labanan. Palibasa kasi walang o-ring eh. Alimaw. Naembang la si Polaris, malas. Tabla sila. Win over the other na yan. Matik. Win over the other. So si Archera Myrtle lang may higher seed dyan matapos talunin si Polaris. Kasi nga, win over the other yan. Little kick. Ay, daki. Ay, daki. Ni Rider Kick yung nang istorbo. Turun. Alright, final battle for Team Home. It's going to be rematch of race for third between Cosmo Atomica and Papa Roach. Labanan na ng mga orange and gold. And in this final matchup for Team Home, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and Papa Roach at lane 2, being their respective starting lanes in this final race of Team Home. Switch on dito sa ating group stage. Ready, set, bye. Papa Roach ahead. Final lane changer. Final lap. Aray! Natitod pa doon sa mounting straight. Palibasa kasi karton lang yun eh. Papa Roach ending the group stage for Team Home with a victory. Another upset victory. Yeah, yung dalawang VC ay magkakaroon ng tiebreaker pace. Pwede, kanina lane 2 si Metalder, lane 1. So switch lane sila. Switch lane sila this time. Lane 1 for Mirik, lane 2 Metalder. Switch on. Last man standing, apply. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Okay na. Okay na yun. Okay. So, Myrick will be ano pala? R2. Myrick R2, Metalder R3. Yan. Parang silang 3 points, tapos tabla rin sila at the same time. So, kompleto na yung team road. Ayos na yung team road. Naunang umembang si ano eh. Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi. Replay. Unang sumabit si ano, no, Myrick, no? Tama. Unang sumabit si Myrick sa lane changer, tama. So, therefore, si Myrick ang R3. Si Metalder R2. Ayun. Okay. Blue pala, sorry. Tama, 1-all. Yun yung talo ni Polaris, ni Archer Mertel. Si Archer Mertel, tinalo naman ni Papa Ross, at si Papa Ross, tinalo ni Polaris. Yun. Kaya 1-all, 1 win apiece, 1-1 sila. Alright, so okay na yung tiebreaker natin. Tama si Myrick niya yung si Myrick na yung unang sumabit. Tapos si Metalder saka lang nakatumba eh. Nakuling tumumba si Metalder. Tama. R2 si Metalder, tapos R3 si Myrick. Ayun. Okay. So, kabilang dako naman tayo. Tiebreaker phase between Papa Roach and Archer Mertel and against Polaris. So, yan. So, tayo? Tiebreaker phase between Papa Roach and Archer Mertel muna mauna. Switch lane. So, race 1 sila. Ay, hindi. Tama, switch lane. Switch lane sila. Lane 1. So, for the meantime, lane 1 si Lane 1 this time si lane 2 pala. Lane 2 pala si Papa Roach kanina. Tama. Lane 1. Lane 1 this time si Papa Roach. Lane 2 si Archer Mertel. Palit sila. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Pinabol pa rin. Final off. Nako, ticket. Okay. Archer wall. Okay, 1-0. Archer Mertel, 1-0. 1-0. Mahaba to. Mahaba talaga yung ating video lag kasi dahil sa nagpuputol-putol yung signal natin at the same time yung tiebreaker phase na-extend yung group stage natin dahil maraming nagtabla-tabla. 3-way tie po kasi ito. Hindi. Baliktad. Baliktad. So, isang talo pa ni Papa Roach. Siya na yung H3. Isang talo pa ni Papa Roach, H3 na siya. H4 si Cosmo Atomic winless. So, H4 siya. Tapos, yung isang talo pa ni Papa Roach against Polaris, na siya? Tawag dito? H3. H3. Kung sino mag-0-2 rito, H3. Okay. So, next. Next, Papa Roach at saka Polaris. Papa Roach, Polaris this time. Last time, sila nung race number 4. Race number 4. So, lane 2 na yun si lane 2 si Papa Roach, Polaris, lane 1. Yan. Lane 1 Polaris, lane 2 Papa Roach. Dito. Ready, set, bye. Mark 2. Final up. Okay. Okay na. Okay na. Okay na. Umiimbang si Papa Roach. Ayun. Talo si Papa Roach. Therefore, dahil 0-2 si Papa Roach, ano na siya? H3. Papa Roach, H3. Third seed sa team home. Tapos si Polaris at saka si Archer Myrtle mag-aagawan ngayon doon sa isa pa. Yung H1 or H2. H1 or H2 na lang yan, if ever. So, talo rin si Papa Roach kay Polaris. Yun. Naunahan si Naunahan siya kay Archer Myrtle Naunahan siya So, yari. Alright. One last call to settle. Archer Myrtle, Polaris. For H1 and H2 positioning na lang to. Bali positioning na lang tong na to. Yung last race natin sa tiebreaker race. Buti na nga na single overtime lang. So this time, sila kanina, lane 2 si Archer lane 1 si this time baliktad. Lane 1 si Archer Myrtle, lane 2 si Polaris. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last man standing applied. Pag tiebreaker. Last 2, final engagement, Polaris. Final up. Oh my goodness. Ay. Akala ko close race all the way. Kaya lang biglang may umimbang. Ayun, umurat, talo. Ganun talaga sa DPATS Tamiya League. Kahit saan Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive league tayo maglaro. Kahit sa DPATS Tamiya League. It's just the same as the other house rules ng iba't ibang racing club dito sa Pilipinas. Ganun din naman, international rule na sinusunod po natin. Yung pa rin. Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday at the same time. Yan. We'll now go to our KO stage right away with this quarterfinals number 1 matchup between Neon Sara and Polaris. So, yung top seed na siya ngayon ang mauuna. Nung nakaraan ito, tapos nagunod ito, tapos tama, tapos clockwise tayo. Tapos next week, Monday, mauna ulit yung isa counterclockwise naman. Counterclockwise naman. Alright. In this quarterfinals number 1, between the two Super 2 chassis cars, Battle of Greens, ang mangyayari dito sa atin, it's fluorescent yellow and white and green against green and blue. Sa laban ng ito, yung match, ang starting lane, Polaris at lane 2, Neon Sara lane 1. Ayun. Ay, sorry. Ayan. So, matchup, lane 2 para kay Polaris dahil top seeded siya sa group, sa team home, sa ang kulirat ng team road na si Neon Sara, lane 1 na starting. Alright mga ka-DPAT, you're still watching DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday at the same time, February 14, 2024. And we are now in our KO stage to begin right away with our quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Maganda to. Sabi sa'yo Okay, re-race. Re-race pa mo or pwede na pong re-race kapag KO stage. Kasi kailangan may manalo. Re-race. Dalawang restarts, tapos kung sakaling mag-imbangan pa rin, last man. Last man mangyayari yan. Re-race tayo. So matatagalan yung ating tapos ng vlog. Malamang abutan tayo ng gaming vlog ni Myrtle Sarosa mamaya, alas 8. Yan. Yung mga mahilig sa gaming, yan. May live stream si Myrtle Sarosa ngayong gabi. Yan. Maayong gabi sa imo, Myrtle, my sweetheart. Yan. Happy Valentine's ulit. I love you so much, always, forever. Yeah. Kaya maayos ko yung down thrust ko. Yan. Okay. Alright. First of 2 restarts in our QF1. Ready, set, bye. Polaris ahead. Final interior, Polaris. Final up. And after that. Malas. Polaris was just too much for Neon Sara to handle. That was too hot to handle for Neon Sara. So unfortunately for Neon Sara, this will be booted out from the competition for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. So sa next Wednesday na natin siya makikita ulit possibly tong si Neon Sara. While Polaris will move on to the semifinals anew after beating one of its arch rival, Neon Sara. Alright, we'll go right away with our quarterfinals number 2 between the top-seeded Venom of Team Road taking on the Kulelat of Team Home Cosmo Atomica. So arch rivals ulit magkalaban. So yung dalawang champions of the month, champion of the month awardees po natin silang magkalaban. Nung September, nung June, September si Cosmo, October Venom. This time magkalaban sila sa ating quarterfinals number 2 tonight. Wherein Venom will start at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 and Venom starting at lane 1 in this quarterfinals number 2. Bilisan na natin para makakapunan na tayo. Alright mga kadipa, it's now time for our QF2. Switch on. Ready, 2, 5. Good. Okay. Aku. Final up, let's see. Alright. And that's enough for QF2. Ayun. Oh my goodness. Unfortunately for Cosmo Atomica will be booted out from this competition tonight. And it's going to be Venom returning once more to the semifinals round with another opportunity to grab some points again to add on its aggregate scoring this month. So it's going to be Venom versus Polaris in our semifinals number 2. Actually, it's number 2 na yan. Kasi nauna lane 2 eh. So, semis 2 yan mamaya. Yung 1 versus 4 matches. So, yung mga top seed pala na magkabilang. Top seeded ng magkabilang group, sila yung semis 2. Sila yung semis 2. So, ano yan? So, it's going to be Polaris at lane 1. Tapos Venom lane 2. O, yun. Okay. Okay. Official timeout pala ulit. Official timeout. Medyo hinihingal ng inyo pong lingkod. At malibasa kasi medyo tumatanda ng lolo nyo. Nagkakaedad na talaga ang lolo nyo. Durug! 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 Official timeout lang po ha. Diyos ko po. Alright, may dalawa pang hinihintay. Dalawang semi-slots pa nag-aabang. Alright, quarterfinals number 3 na po tayo between second-seeded Metalder for R2 taking on the third-seeded car Paparoch in our QF3. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 2, Paparoch at lane 1. Dahil third seed po si Paparoch. Second seed naman si Metalder. Ito yung tiebreaker piece nila between them and Mary. Dragon's Breath activate. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our QF3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. natin talaga si Papa Roach. Okay. Hit, wala na. KO. Di ko na na mabilis. Nakabutan. Shot clock violation. Putut. Shot clock violation. Hindi ka umabot sa oras eh. Tapos, give me 20 push-ups. Sabay ka lang. Nabuntog. Makapo yun. Ay, po. Na-laser arm tayo ng di oras. Durog. Unang umimbang doon si Unang umimbang doon si Metalder. Let's see at the replay. Yun, Yan. Nangunguna pa si Papa Roach, sa bilis ni Papa Roach, hindi ko na naabutan na takbo sana ako din, hindi ko naman naabutan si yun abutin ko pa sana eh. Ay, nabutan. Tama. Nabutan. Bernardo Dispo po. Shout out po kay Ginoong Bernardo Dispo. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok ngayong Valentine's Day sa DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Maraming salamat po ulit. Yun, nabutan niya si nabutan niya. Na-hit niya yun. So unfortunately, itong si Metalder, sub ulit. Bagsak ulit bagsak ulit for another time. So Metalder booted out of this competition and Papa Roach will continue continues its rampage going to the semis. Going to the semifinals pala. So, tatlo na yung natanggal. Dalawang team road, dalawang team home, isang team home, dalawang team road natanggal. Malas. Kaya lang talagang masyado na mabilis si Papa Roach para kay Metalder. So, malas na lang. Sorry na lang. Alright, quarterfinals matchup. It's going to be Archera Myrtle, the second-seeded car for Team Home against the third-seeded car from Team Road, Merrick. So, Battle of Blues na po ang ating last quarterfinal matchup wherein Archera Myrtle starts at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, it's going to be Archera Myrtle at lane 1 and Merrick at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes. May kasi ito kaya hindi ko na mapakpat yung hindi pwede yung dragon split. Kabisi na lang. Alright mga ka-Adipat, it's now time to close out this quarterfinals round for the KO stage with this QF4. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe. Baso. Final up, let's see. Malas. Malas. Nagkakanda dikit-dikit kasi si Merrick yun ang nangyari. Ayun. Naunahan tuloy na Archera Myrtle, di na niya nahabol. And unfortunately for Merrick, itong si Merrick ay sibak ngayong gabi dahil talagang masyadong mabilis si Archera Myrtle. Merrick tried to catch up with Archera Myrtle but unfortunately to no avail. So Archera Myrtle became resilient, retaining its tenacity on the racetracks, and it's going to be Archera Myrtle facing Papa Roach one more time tonight in our first semifinals matchup. So sila mauuna this time, no? Alright, so semifinals tayo in just a little while. Checking ko muna yung mga nakalusot. Check. Lagyan natin ng check. Actually, tatlong team home at isang team road. So tatlo yung papalitan natin. Naloko na. Setso na, MP at saka kung sino yung nag-R2 is Metalder. So possible pwedeng team home pa rin si ano. Yung si ano naman, tatlo yung team home eh. So si McLaren na lang yung possible na babalik. Possibly si McLaren lang muna yung babalik. Or si RT Tareka o wala na lang ano. Wala na lang FM siguro. Hindi, kailangan bumalik ni ano. Kailangan bumalik din ni McLaren. Kailangan bumalik si McLaren. Okay. Sino yung red mark? Red mark. Tapos blue pala. Blue, green, another. Okay. Alright. So without further ado, it's now time for our semifinals number 1. Wala po tayong one-time change of battery rule. So okay lang po na ano tayo. Alright, semifinals number 1 right away. It's going to be Papa Roach taking on Archera Myrtle in our semis 1. And in this matchup, it's going to be Archera Myrtle this time, starting at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. So isa pang duelo ng mga mamaw, AR versus NA. Grabe to. Single shot versus double shot. Alakasan na ng tama. Parang San Miguel versus Ginebra lang, no? Alright. Hindi na kasi mataktak yan yung FA tsaka MS. Mahirap. Alright mga kalipag, we are now in our semifinals of our knockout stage that will be started right away on our Run and Gun Wednesday Valentine's Special, and at the same time Ash Wednesday. It's now time for semis number 1. Switch on! Ready, set, I... Teka. Wait a minute. Hindi ko pa pala na ano. Ulit. Full time. Ready, set, bye. Full start eh. Sarod! Halimaw to! Woo! Fast lane changer. Palitan na naman. Let's see at the final lap. Moving the upper hand. Holy smoke! Wow! Grabe ito mga kadipat. Wow! Grabe yung habulan nun. Talagang palitan na lamang. It was indeed a seesaw battle on the racetracks right there. Grabe. Despite having some difficulty, having some obstacles, yon yung DG straight at yung bouncing straight. Pero grabe. Walang gustong bumitaw. Halimaw! Wow! Sino may sabi stock motor hindi mamawan? Alright. So after the smoke of that final race, of that semi-final number 1 race lifted, it's going to be Archera Myrtle rising from the ashes like a phoenix, flying high towards the championship race. Yan. So may 2 or 3 points na may uuwi si Archera Myrtle for tonight's edition of BTL SMC, while Papa Roach will await its opponent for race for third. Bang klase ito. Yan ang Valentine's. Anong gentle. Sabay ganun yun. Anong gentle. Ang rap nun rock and roll. Alright, semi-finals number 2 na po tayo agad-agad. Battle of top-seeded cars naman. Battle of top-seeded cars ang mangyayari sa ating semis 2 between Venom, the top-seeded car from Team Road, against the top-seeded car from Team Home, Polaris. So another Super 2 battle. So another duel between the two Super 2 chassis cars. Grabe ito. It's going to be Venom starting at lane 1. Polaris pala. Mas maraming panalo si Polaris, 2-1. Si Venom naman, 1-2. 1 win, 2 draws. Tapos si Polaris, 2 wins. 2 wins, 1 draw. So, pare silang top seed. 2 wins, 1 draw. So therefore, it's going to be Polaris at lane 1 pala. Ayun. Alright. So starting lane for the cars, Polaris at lane 1, Venom at lane 2. Alright. Alam mo na, Dragon's Breath, activate. Teka, mag-adjust ako sa down thrust, baka mamaya sumablay eh. Sasablay atin na. Pwede na po kasi mag-adjust kapag knockout stage. Kapag knockout stage, pwede po mag-adjust. Ng down thrust, punas gulong, dragon's breath, pwede. Shout out kay Bernard de Guzman, Desert Beach. Sa nagpoy ng dragon's breath, doon nasa Manaldad. Sa Pindang Festival noon, last year, almost a year ago. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for semifinals number 2. Switch on! Alimaw to. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Woo! Tara. Final engagement. Muntik pa. Final up. Okay. And that's the run. Narag. And it's going to be Venom reigning supreme over Polaris, returning to the championship race once more. So it's going to be Venom versus Archera Myrtle in our championship race. Okay, congratulations pa rin kay Archera Myrtle, maski mag-second. First o second man yan. Ulit, shout out kay Myrtle sa Rosa. Ilang minuto na lang, mag-ano na siya, magbablog na. So sakto lang yung ano natin. Sakto lang yung dating natin. Sakto lang tapos natin. Working. Yun! Alright! Ay! Muntik pa! Muntik pa! So, this time na-dominate ng Team Home ang Run and Gun Wednesday natin ngayong Valentine's Day at Ash Wednesday din at the same time. So, it's now time for our race for third between Polaris pala. Polaris taking on Papa Roach in our race for third. Yan. Sa matchup na to, it's going to be Polaris again, this time starting at lane 2. And Papa Roach will start at lane 1. So contrasting colors ngayon. Yung blue nasa red, yung red nasa blue. Parang ganun. No? Yan. Talagang seryoso. Alright mga ka-Dipak, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third for Dipak's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this Valentine's Day, Feb 14, 2024 on another Run and Gun Wednesday evening kahit mukhang Manic Monday ang Run and Gun Wednesday. Yan. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Tito. Embang. Akay ko po. Good. Gumagalat na si Papa. Last 2. Final lap. Hindi nakakuha ng dagdag na puntos. Sa wakas, makakakuha na rin ng 1 point si Papa Roach. Polaris, kawawa. Polaris, malas. Hindi nakakuha. And it's going to be Papa Roach emerging victorious over Polaris to seal its third place finish for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. Yo, medyo nabubulol na yung lingkod. Gutom lang yan. Gutom lang yan kasi nag-intermittent fasting yung inyo pong likod. Kaya parang medyo Pero okay lang. I'll just take it. Alright, the much-awaited championship race to close out our festivities on Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday tonight on our Run and Gun Wednesday evening. It's going to be Venom versus Archera Myrtle for the championship, right? Once more, so another challenger against Venom in the championship race. So nakakailang championship stint na itong si Venom. Grabe, apat na din. For the past couple of weeks, puro finals ang inaabot si Venom, ibang klase. Palibasa kasi small tayo kaya mabilis na, stable pa. No wonder bakit nakatagal ang Fortune 2. Bagay na bagay sa kanya yung Fortune 2, palibasa kasi Chicano talaga ng style. Kahit yung spin up, spin Cobra, spin Viper, kahit sang category pa yan, Maka Prostack, B-Max, Full stock man yan o B-Max, ibang klase, yung mga spin saka B-Spider. I tell you, mga kadipan, ako mismo, proven yan. Pag ganyan yung layout, kakayanin. Talagang kayang-kaya ng mga, ano yan, yung mga nabanggit kong model. B-Spiders, mga B-Spiders, Spider at saka si Bra. Spin, lahat na spin. Spinner, spin cobra, spin viper, at Stratovector din. Sa FM naman yung Stratovector yung magaling doon sa mga ano. Alright! So in this championship race between Venom and Archera Myrtle, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. Kasi higher seed si Venom, top seed ng Team Road, si Archera Myrtle, second seed. Second seeded car ng Team Home. Yeah. Again, Venom at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. Alright. Yan. Ito, ganyan yan. Tak-tak na lang. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to culminate our festivities in our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DTL SMC on a Valentine's Day and Ash Wednesday tonight, right here in this championship race. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Yung mga buwang nag-dominate pala ngayon, ano? Grabe. Archera Myrtle ahead. Venom catching up. Archera Myrtle retaining his composure. At the final lane change, here we go. Down to his final lap. And Archera. And finally, a defeat at the finals para kay Venom. Natapos din ang paghahari. Natapos din ang dominance ni Venom sa ano. Although maganda pa rin na mayroon pa rin siyang 10 points na may uuwi after that loss. 10 points pa rin. Siya pa rin number 1 pagdating sa aggregate scoring overall. 10 points na. At least naka-double figures na si Venom maski despite that loss against Archera Myrtle. Grabe! Talagang pag sinout at si Myrtle sa Rosa, talagang sinaswerte yung Archera Myrtle. And finally, a new champion has been elected or has been thrown. Has been relegated to the throne, being the king or queen. In this case, it's a queen. It's going to be Archera Myrtle being our new champion for DTL SMC after that championship. Oh, nice one. Alright, final results for this Run and Gun Wednesday evening. Kahit nagmukhang Manic Monday pa rin yung tema. It's going to be Archera Myrtle winning over Venom, clinching its new championship. So we have the new queen of the night. New queen for tonight's race day. Itong si Archera Myrtle, ang bago nating kampiyon after 4 races here on DTL SMC. While Venom still not bad, going to 4 straight final stints, splitting its finals appearances with a couple of wins and losses apiece. Yan, wins and losses apiece. So 3-2, 3-2, 10. A total of 10 points on aggregate para rito kay Venom, splitting all of its 4 finals appearances. Split po, dahil tigalawang panalo at talo. Ganun yan. Split po. 2 out of 4. Yung ano niya, 2-2 siya ngayon sa finals. Grabe. Ibang klase pa rin. So, still number 1. Still number 1 siya sa overall aggregate scoring. And at last, Papa Roach. So, sina Archera Myrtle at Papa Roach ngayon yung mga bagong nakadagdag ng puntos. 3 points for Archera Myrtle. An additional 2 points for Venom, cementing its hold to the lead on aggregate scoring overall. And Papa Roach with its first point this month of love after finishing 3rd. Alright. So there you have it mga kadipat. This has been our Valentine special here on DTL SMC this February 14, 2024, and also Ash Wednesday to start off Lenten season in the Philippines for most of us Christians. Yan. Tayo mga Kristiyano po, yun po yung sagradong okasyon para sa atin, para makapagnilay-nilay, makapagsisi sa mga kasalanan, at the same time yung parang gustong makapagpahinga matapos yung mga matitinding pagsubok na pinagdaanan natin. Opo, lalo na sa katulad ko po na Talagang wala nang ibang pwedeng maasahang magbantay kay daddy, kundi ako na lang, syempre. So, yan yung rason bakit hindi pa ako makaasawa. Malaman nga, wala na talaga. Ano. Pero ganun pa man, kung sakali mang kung sakali mang makasal, kay Myrtle pa rin. Otherwise, wag na lang. Mag-isa na lang ako forever hanggang mamatay. Ganun lang po kasimple. Ganun lang naman yung gusto kong mangyari. That's it. Nanay ba? Alright. So, there you have it, mga kadipat. These are the podium finishers for tonight's Run and Gun Wednesday edition here on DTL SMC. And this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguay signing off for now. Thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime. Apologies in advance. Extending my apologies, mga kadipat. For poor internet signal, pero pinilit pa rin nating itapusin yung laban. Siyempre naman, kailangan tapusin. Hindi ako aalis hanggat di ko tatapusin. No? Ganun talaga sa DTL. Bawal po delay. Alright. Maliban na kung talagang internet signal. Doon lang tayo nagkaroon ng lal tsaka mga aksidente. Hindi natin maiwasan yan eh. Alright. So, but nevertheless, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities or toxicity around you. And protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. Once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguay, leaving you a Run and Gun Wednesday evening. Happy, blessed Ash Wednesday to all, and a happy Valentine's Day to every one of us. Yan. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos